Land Rover India has introduced the 2021 Discovery facelift with prices starting at 88,06,000 rupees ex-showroom India. The updated Land Rover Discovery facelift made its global debut in November last year and comes with a slew of upgrades including a new design language, new features, improved engine options and more. Visual upgrades include the restyled grille, new LED headlamps with LED DRLs and redesigned LED tail lights. The bumper sports new side air vents and also makes the model look more planted to the ground. Inside, there's a new PV Pro infotainment system with OTA updates, a larger 11.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and cabin air ionization. The Discovery facelift also gets comfier seats in the second row. Power comes from the 2-liter petrol and diesel engines as well as a 3-liter diesel from the Ingenium family. The SUV also gets intelligent all-wheel drive and terrain response too as part of the upgrades. Deliveries for the new Discovery will begin soon. The Maharashtra government has announced the revised EV policy in order to increase the adoption of electric vehicles in the state. Under the 2021 revised EV policy, the state will subsidize the first 1 lakh electric two-wheeler buyers who will now receive a 10,000 rupees per kilowatt hour incentive as against the older 5,000 rupees per kilowatt hour. However, the government has also announced an early bird offer till the 31st of December 2021, wherein customers will be able to avail a subsidy of 15,000 rupees per kilowatt hour. For car buyers, the subsidy has been revised to 1,50,000 rupees per vehicle with up to 30 kilowatt hour battery capacity. The early bird offer though further increases the subsidy to 1 lakh rupees but needs to be availed before the 31st of December. In addition, the Maharashtra government plans to set up 2,500 charging stations in the next 4 years. The state also said that it will incentivize battery and EV component manufacturing facilities. The government expects about 10% of all new vehicle registrations in the state to be electric by 2025. Tata Motors has launched the new Express brand in India, which will specifically cater to the fleet vehicle buyers. Under the new brand, the company will sell the vehicles for the taxi segment and it will include both internal combustion engines and electric vehicles. In fact, the first model to be introduced under the new vertical will be the rebranded Tigor EV, which will now be known as the Express T EV. The company says that all vehicles for the fleet segment will sport the new Express badge to differentiate them better from the company's passenger vehicles sold to private buyers.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.